Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your workspace so nothing slows you later. Open Corel Painter, set canvas to your target size, 1920 by 1080 is common, and choose an appropriate DPI. Once done, enable the animation and timeline panels. These let you scrub and control timing. Create a dedicated layer group to keep animation frames organized, because organization prevents accidental edits. Now add your first painted keyframe on frame 1 and save a versioned file. This gives you a safe checkpoint before you now focus on creating motion by mixing keyframes and in-betweens. Start by painting strong key poses on separate layers so the intent is clear. This reduces cleanup later. Then enable onion skin, set it to 1/2 or custom opacity, so you can see adjacent frames and maintain consistent movement. Once keyframes are placed, add in between frames and use Layer Cloning Plus transform to shift positions instead of redrawing every element. This saves time and keeps proportions correct while preserving painterly texture. You finish by polishing and exporting for delivery. Play the animation at your target frame rate, 24 or 30 FPS, and make small timing tweaks on the timeline to fix pacing. Add subtle motion blur or soften edges between frames to hide minor jumps, and then export either an image sequence, PNG for compositing, or an H.264 video for quick sharing. If you see jitter, check layer alignment and frame spacing. Smoothing the spacing, or using a mild blur, usually solves it without losing painterly detail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.